In times of economic crisis, it can be difficult to know how to survive. As the economy crashes and unemployment rises, many people find themselves struggling to make ends meet. But with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to weather the storm and emerge on the other side. The first step to surviving an economic crisis is to stay calm and focused. It's accessible to panic when you're faced with financial difficulties, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Many other people are going through the same thing. Next, take a close look at your finances. Make a budget and prioritize your expenses. Cut back on unnecessary costs and try to find ways to save money. This might mean eating out less, canceling subscriptions or memberships, or finding cheaper alternatives for your daily expenses. Remember that there are often alternatives to expensive goods or services. For example, instead of eating out, you can cook meals at home, which can be cheaper and healthier. Instead of buying new clothes, you can shop at thrift stores or online marketplaces. Be creative and resourceful. Another strategy is to look for additional sources of income. This might mean taking on a part-time job, starting a side business, or freelancing. In some cases, you may also be eligible for government assistance programs or loans. Finally, take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Exercise, eat healthily, and get enough rest. Stay connected with friends and family for emotional support. It's important to remember that your well-being is just as important as your financial stability. Another strategy is to invest in your own personal and professional development. During an economic crisis, it's easy to feel like you're stuck in a rut, but this is actually an opportunity to learn new skills and explore new career paths. Consider taking online courses, attending webinars, or networking with professionals in your field. This will not only help you in the short term but also position you for success in the long term. Finally, consider giving back to your community. Volunteering can provide a sense of purpose and connection, and it's a great way to help those who are struggling during an economic crisis. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Surviving an economic crisis can be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, it's possible to come out stronger on the other side. Stay focused, stay positive, and take action. You can do this.